Hey, it's Joe Soto. So I get asked all the time, how are you writing an offer without a loan contingency, Joe? Are you just crazy psycho? And I will tell you, no, we're not crazy psycho, but we do a really great job. So I've got an awesome team. I've been in the business just about 20 years. My team's been in the business, some of them longer than me, but we won't say that. And we do really thorough pre-approvals up front. So we don't like surprises at all. But the one thing that's really different is that we do a fast track credit approval. So we actually have the loan underwritten up front, and we know exactly what the underwriter is going to need once the client gets into escrow. So the scary part about the loan contingency and the loan process is what the underwriter is going to say, right? Because they're ultimately the decision maker. And what we've done in order to write a no loan contingency offer is we have that done up front. So the underwriter reviews it. They say, yes, this is a loan as long as you can meet these things. If we feel confident in those items, then we issue that no loan contingency approval and we rock and roll. We're out there competing with cash and we're getting offers accepted left and right. If you have any questions or any buyers who would benefit from that, please give us a shout. 866 Joe Soto. Make it a great day.